Today's video is about the law of attraction and how it works and how you can experiment with it in your own life. The benefit of learning about the law of attraction is that you learn about yourself. When you pay attention to where your vibration is and your emotional set point throughout the day, because you're trying to figure out how the law of attraction can make your life better, you learn about yourself. The saying, your vibe attracts your tribe, is really true. Science has showed us that we're all vibration, and what set point you're vibrating at will be like a magnet to those people and experiences that are vibrating at the same frequency. We are always attracting our experience, whether we are aware of it or not. To change something that you don't like, experiment. Start to change the way you feel about a certain situation or even a person. Even if you do this a couple of minutes a day, it will start to change your vibration. And then wait and see how that person or that situation or that relationship changes. There is momentum of thought, and that is an important factor in the law of attraction. If you have been feeling very negative, say for instance about your boss, for years, it's not going to change immediately when you start to experiment with feeling differently about your boss. But it will change, and you have to believe in that change. It's like when you go to stop your car, the car is not going to stop immediately. There is momentum behind that car, and even if you hit the brakes, you're going to have to skid a little bit before you change that momentum of the car. Law of attraction is very much like that. We have a train of thought, we have a habit of thought, and it's attracting what we think about and how we think about those things to us. So to begin to change even a little bit a day of thinking differently, feeling differently about the circumstance or the relationship you want to change is going to gain momentum. And then you'll see the change in your physical reality. The first step in using the law of attraction in your life is to begin by changing your belief of what's possible for you and the way you see your own life. Begin by visualizing. Visualize the change that you want to see. Maybe you want to start with money and your relationship with it and how much you have in the bank. Begin by visualizing what your bank statement will look like. What is it exactly that you want? Maybe it's a visualization that you want to start about a relationship that you have. Maybe having a really nice exchange or a harmonious relationship with a person at work that really gives you a problem. Begin by picturing that change and visualizing what it will look like and lean into it emotionally because the emotion is like the jet fuel to change. The law of attraction is based on our vibration, and it's vibration of thought, vibration of feeling. And so you want to be able to really feel what that change is going to look like. The next key to using the law of attraction to change something in your life is to keep a gratitude journal. If you challenge yourself to journal every night, at least one thing that you're really grateful for, it forces you to look at your day differently. You're looking for gratitude. You're looking for something that you really enjoyed about that day or are very grateful about. And you may start with specifically the thing that you want to change. So even a small change, for instance, in a relationship with the coworker, even a small thing, you can start to build your gratitude around that. And that in turn changes your vibration. Another key to using the law of attraction is to understand the power of words. Our words are what we believe. If we say them over and over again, like this will never change, I'll always be poor, things never work out for me, then it's going to become the reality because words are powerful. So change the way that you speak about the thing that you want to change. And again, even if you can manage it for just a couple minutes a day to start, that's enough. So for instance, I always have money in the bank. Money flows into my life so easily. I always have checks in the mail. I love getting money. Every day is just so easy for me to have more and more money. So things like that might be really hard to say when you look at your actual circumstances. But this is the idea of changing your vibration and your belief of what you have and what is possible for you. And it's practice and practice, which will change your vibration and your belief about what you can have. Watch for synchronicities and coincidence, and do not just kind of shrug them off as nothing. They are actually a sign that you're on the right track. For instance, if you're asking for more money, an inflow of money, and you find pennies, that's a sign. Take that as a positive indication that you're on the right track. Perhaps you're looking for much more money than that, but that is a sign that your vibration is changing and you're attracting to you the thing that you want. Pay attention to your mindset. It is not helpful to focus on what you don't have. So, for instance, with law of attraction, you're planting a seed, you're changing things. And again, going back to momentum, it's going to take a little bit of time because nothing turns on a dime. But I use the analogy of planting something. If you plant a tomato seed and then go out there later and look forward to have it in the salad for dinner, you're going to be very disappointed. If you're focused on the lack and focused on the lack of speed of which something is changing, you're actually canceling out the vibration that you're trying to elevate. You're canceling out the glass half full with the glass half empty mentality. So it's a habit that many people have, but the whole idea of working with the law of attraction is to break those habits, to change the way you think. So keep an eye on that. And when you see that you're doing it, don't beat yourself up. Just try again and say a positive statement instead. A quote from Lazu, an ancient Chinese philosopher, is very appropriate here. He says, watch your thoughts, they become your words. Watch your words, they become your actions. Watch your actions, they become your habits. Watch your habits, they become your character. Watch your character, they become your destiny. Each one of us is a very powerful creator. Our thoughts and words and actions and habits shape our lives, and we can change all of those. No one can tell us what to think. We're in charge. So when you begin to change your thinking, everything falls in line. And it takes time, but it is worth using the law of attraction and believing what you see as it changes and knowing that you did that. You changed your life by changing the way you think about your life, the way you speak about what's possible for you, and about the action that you take every day, and changing your vibration to change your life. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted each time I upload a new video.